Hi Marygiri, welcome to mathematics class. Last class you have learned how to compare two decimal numbers. Same way we can order the decimal numbers. Ordering means writing the decimal numbers in ascending or descending order. The same steps we have to follow. First itself, the given numbers are unlike. We should change this into like decimals. After that, compare its whole number part. If the whole number parts are equal, then only we have to compare the decimal part. In decimal part, which is the highest place? Yes, 10th place. Why 10th place is higher than 100th and 1000th place? Yes, the fraction with the smaller denominator is bigger fraction. That is why. Okay, first itself we should compare in decimal part. First compare the 10th place. If the 10th places are equal, then only we should compare the 100th, then compare the 1000th place. Okay, dear children, when we get a question to arrange the numbers in ascending or descending order of decimal numbers, first itself we can arrange this in column wise according to the places. Then we can change this into like decimals. Okay, 0.8, next 2.02. Next 0.071, next 1.3. Look here, all the ones place, digits are in same column. Next all the decimal points should come in same column. Next 10th, 100th, 1000th. You noticed, did you notice one number has 3 decimal places? Okay, highest number of decimal places are 3. So that first itself we can change these decimal numbers with the 3 decimal places. First number has only 1 decimal place. We can write 2 more. Now 3 are there. Here 2 are there. We can write 1 0 here. Then here only 1 decimal place is there. Then how can we make this into like decimals? Yes, put 2 more 0. Now in all these decimal numbers, how many decimal places are there? 3. Now the decimals are like decimals. Now we can do the comparison. First itself, already I told, first we should compare the whole number part. Whole number part 0, 2, 0, 1. Ascending order means smallest to arrangement of numbers from smallest to largest. So that here the smallest one, 2 numbers are starting with the 0. We can compare these two first. First we can compare these 2 numbers. Okay. Its whole number parts are equal. That time what to do? Yes, we should compare its 10th place. Okay, 10th place 8 and 0 is there. You know that 0 is smaller than 8. Therefore, this is the smallest among these numbers. This is ascending order. Second smallest, other number starting with the 0. This is the second smallest. Next, third one is what? Here 2 numbers, the whole numbers are 1 and 2. You know that 1 is smaller than 2. Therefore, this number comes third place and this is the largest among this. Therefore, here the answer. Dear children, what is the ascending order of these numbers? Either according to the question, how the question is given, we can write its ascending order. We change this into like decimal, that's all. The smallest one is 0.071. Here it is given as 0.071. Second one is what? 0.8000. In question it is given as 0.8. If you are writing 0.800 or 0.8, both are equal. You have learned equivalent fractions. Okay. Therefore, according to the question itself, I am writing 0.8. Next, or we can write it as 0.800. Next, where the third decimal, which number is that? Yes, 1.300. Next, the largest among this number is what? 2.020. Just I think all of you could understand how to arrange the decimal numbers in ascending order. Once again, I repeat. First itself, you have to change this as like decimal. Compare its whole number part. Whole number parts are equal. Then only you have to compare the decimal part according to their places. Okay. Now we can do one more question with the descending order. Okay? Yes, children. Now we can arrange these numbers in descending order. What is descending order means? Yes, arrangement of numbers from largest to smallest. Okay. First, we can arrange these numbers in column wise according to the places. First, 0.95. Next is what? 9.5. You have to do it carefully. According to the place itself, you should arrange the numbers. All ones place should come in same column. Next, all decimal point should come in same column. 10th place, 100th place. Like this itself, you should arrange. Then only your answer will be correct. Okay. Next, 95. 9 is in 10th place. Ones place 5, decimal point. Next, 0. Next, 0 point. 0 is in ones place. Next, 0, 9, 5. 10th, 100th, 1000th. Here maximum how many decimal places are there? Yes, 3 are there. Then we should make 3 decimal places to other decimal number also. First, already 2 are there. Put 1 more 0. Here 1 is there. Put 2 more 0. Next, here only 1 0 is there. If it is a whole number, you have to make this as decimal. How? By putting a decimal point and put required number of zeros. Okay. Now 0 0. Okay. If only 7 is there, put a decimal point and put 2 more zeros. This is the method for making this as a decimal number. Okay. We should identify which is the highest number here. How to find? Yes. Compare its whole number part first. Whole numbers 0, 9, 95, 0. Which is the highest one? Yes, 95. Then you need not compare its decimal part there. Now this is the highest one. Which is the second highest? Yes, one number is there with the 9. This is the second highest. Now two numbers, the whole number part is what? 0. We can compare. Okay, 0, 0. That time what to do? We should compare its 10th place. 9 and 0. You know that 9 is greater than 0 and this is descending order also. Descending order means largest to smallest. So that we should write the bigger one first. Now this number comes third position and this is the fourth one. Okay, therefore here the descending order is what? Descending order of the number is what? Yes, first 95.00 or 95. 95.0. If you are writing like this also, no problem is the second one 9.5. Here it is given as 99.5. Okay. Next, third number is 0.950. Here it is given as 0.95. If you are writing it's a like decimal, there is no problem. Okay. Next, what to do? The last one is 0.095. Dear children, I think all of you could understand how to arrange the decimal numbers in ascending and descending order. Now we can learn the addition of decimal numbers. Same steps we have to follow there also. If we are getting unlike decimal, change this into like decimal, and we should arrange the numbers in column wise according to the places. And just like the whole number, we should start from right to left. If carryover is there, if balance is there, we should add this to the next place. And don't forget to put the decimal point just below the decimal point in the question. Okay, the same column itself, we should put the decimal point in answer also. Okay, now we can do some questions. Dear children, here the first question, 9 plus 3.87 plus 61.45. First we can arrange these numbers in column wise according to their places. First 9 is a whole number and its place is ones. Okay. Next 3.87. 3 is in ones place. 8 and 7, that is in 10th and 100th. Okay. Next 61. 61 you know 6 is in 10th place. 1 is in ones place. 6 is in 10th place. 1 is in ones place. Put the decimal point. Next 4, 4, 5. That is 10th and 100th. Okay. Now we have to change this into like decimal first itself. Okay. How can we change this into like decimal? Yes. The maximum 2 decimal places are there in 2 questions. One is whole number. We have to change this as decimal. How? Just put the decimal point in the same column and put 2 more 0. Now the decimal numbers are like decimals. Okay, now we can add as usual. How we are adding a whole number, like that itself we should add the decimal number also. Usually start from right to left. 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 0, 12 itself. 1 carry over to the next place. Next 8 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 carry over to the next place. But don't forget to put the decimal point just below this decimal point itself. Put the decimal point here. Without decimal point, the answer is wrong only. Okay? Now 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. Okay. Now 1 carry over to the next place. 6 plus 1, 7. Now here the answer is what? 74.32. Okay. Now we can do the next question. In this question 4 decimal numbers are there. All the decimal numbers are like decimals itself. First we can arrange this in column wise according to the places. Okay. First 0.0891. Next 0.7354. Next one 0.9536. The last one is 0.4832. Now we can add these numbers. First, as usual, we should start from right to left. Okay. First, here 10th, 100th, 1000th. This is 10,000th place. Okay. 10,000th place. We can add the digits. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Okay. 1 carry over to the next place. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. Okay. 2 carry. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 plus 8, 26. Okay. 2 carry. Next 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 4. 18 plus 4 is 22. 2 carry. Then put the decimal point. Don't forget this. Okay. Next here ones place. Only 2 is there. All other digits are 0. The sum is 2 only. Therefore here the answer is what? 2.2613. Okay. Just children. Here 4 decimal numbers are given with a different number of decimal places. First we can arrange this in column wise. Okay. First 169.447. Okay. Next 17.6411. 17. 1 is in tens place. 7 is in ones place. Next 6411. Next 7.1. 7 is in ones place. Then next put the decimal point. Next 1. Okay. Next 241. 2 is in hundreds place. Next 4 is in tens place. Ones place. Next 10th, 100th. Those who have any problem, you write the places first. Ones, tens, hundreds. Next here the places in small letters. 10th, 100th, 1000th. Okay. This is 10,000. Write the whole number part in capital letters and the decimal part in small letters. Okay, here decimal point also. And next we can change this into like decimal. Maximum, the highest number of decimal places are 4. So that we can make 4 decimal places in all these decimal numbers. Okay, now all the numbers are there with the 4 decimal places. Now we can add. First start from right side. 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0, that is 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 0, 8 itself. Next 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 carry. Next 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 1 carry. Then put the decimal point. Okay. Next 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 7, 24. 24 plus 1, 25. Okay. 2 carry. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Therefore, what is the answer here? What is the answer here? 435.6281. Dear children, I think all of you could understand how to add decimal numbers. You should arrange the numbers according to the places and change the unlike decimals into like decimal. How we add a whole number like that itself we should add, and do not forget to put the decimal point. Okay, all of you practice with some more questions. Okay, thank you.